When the morning sun rises, it paints the sky with golden light and whispers softly to the earth, a new day has begun. The beauty of morning in a Pakistani village is unlike anywhere else. As the first rays of the sun touch the land, the fields sparkle with fresh dewdrops, shining like tiny pearls on green grass. The air is cool, pure, and filled with the soft songs of birds, welcoming the new day with joy. In this peaceful environment, life begins slowly but beautifully. Villagers wake up early, often before the sun is fully out. The sound of a rooster calling in the distance, the mooing of cows and the bleating of goats all become part of the natural morning melody. After waking up, families gather inside their simple homes. The women prepare breakfast, fresh bread from the clay oven, tea boiling on wood fire, and sometimes butter or yogurt made from the milk of their own animals. The smell of fresh bread and tea fills the air, giving warmth to the home. Children sit together, laughing and enjoying their meal before school, while the elders eat quietly, preparing themselves for the hard work of the day. Breakfast in the village is not just food, it is a time of togetherness, family, and gratitude for what nature provides. That is why each morning begins with taking care of them. After feeding the animals, villagers lead them out into the open fields. Some go to graze on green pastures near the river, while others stay close to the village. The sight of herds moving slowly through the fields, guided by farmers with sticks in their hands, is a beautiful part of Pakistani rural mornings. As the sun climbs higher, the village becomes fully alive. Children walk to school on narrow, dusty paths, women continue their household work, and men move towards their fields for farming. The morning freshness slowly changes into the energy of the day, but the charm of those early hours remains in the hearts of the villagers. Morning in a Pakistani village is not just the beginning of a new day, it is a reminder of the bond between humans, animals, and nature. It is a time of peace, hard work, and gratitude, showing us that happiness lies in the simplest of things. And so the village whispers to the rising sun, "We are ready for another day, another chance, and another blessing."